specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. The surf forecast for the Ventura County beaches. Moderate with current risk. Today, current risk, moderate. Surf heights, 2 to 4 feet.
Just need to hold his hand.
Oh. This is the weekly.
12. 25, free shipping and handling.
Weather hazards. The weather radio warning alarm will normally. The weather service. Or possible. Phone. The warning. The warnings and special. The following counties: Santa Barbara, those counties and.
Back kid.
Massage.
Entrablas.
I want to talk to you.
Somebody that just had a little girl.
Secret?
Gott men stämmer så köper man fick kaka och gamsan på tack.
Den avslutas direkt i Jean-Claude.